When it opened in 1859, the Henry Shaw Museum, now the Stephen and Peter Sachs Museum, was the scientific heart of the Missouri Botanical Garden. Recent renovations uncovered an unexpected gem: 3 original ceiling frescoes hidden beneath layers of plaster. Restoring and illuminating the mural would prove to be a challenge. Damaged beyond repair, the mural was traced onto mylar sheets to be meticulously recreated by hand in a studio under the newly specified museum lighting. The sheets were then applied to the museum ceiling like wallpaper. The ceiling itself offered very minimal space for lighting. To achieve even illumination across the mural, Lisa Reed of Envision Lighting Design chose TROV by Ecosense for its consistent beam and low-profile package, and its ability to faithfully replicate the warmth and color rendering properties of the earlier incandescent lighting. Says Reed, "The TROV fixtures do a fantastic job of revealing the beauty of the ceiling frescoes." The results speak for themselves. The Stephen and Peter Sachs Museum is an IES Award of Merit winner.